Well, I'm gonna mess with this. I found this chunk of steering rod, exact diameter of this axle for the front wheels here. So I'll drill the holes in it and then cut it down and do this while we're trying to let some of the stuff dry for the truck. I was able to set these up there because I got them dry enough in the old Flex truck, and got the hood painted. We'll cut that again, clear it again, but it's nice to start getting some of this stuff painted on this truck, you know. Got this on final prime, still need to block it. Doors are ready to paint. We'll block these and spray the doors and the fenders. As long as they paint match, then we'll be good to go. I've loved seeing this blue on this edge here. It just is really awesome. It's kind of hard to see, but it looks really good on there, you know. Love it, love it, love it. All right, bit bars.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
Alright, I have this, it's just a piece of angle welded to a piece of strap, and it's what I use to drill holes in round stock. The other thing that you can do with it is make a straight line on your piece here, and then we'll be able to mark our holes here. Drill a hole there, drill a hole there, drill a hole there, drill a hole there. Got it cut down, kind of cleaned it up a little bit, but that's a W, boys. It's a W. Pretty cool. Not sure if this is the next piece, but good. Got gnarled. Got gnarled. This guy is supposed to go through here and through here, and that's what pushes it up. And then there's the springs, those guys clip onto the ends here and go, you know, somewhere. I think they go, yeah, they go back to those little guys, and that's the kind of the return.
See, I was gonna put a hammer where your hand is.
Oh, here we are.
Oh yeah.
That looks actually correct, so that's cool. We got, this guy goes here, and then there's two guys that go there. Okay, alright. I'm trying to figure this out, and I think, I'm going off pictures on my phone, I think that guy goes there, with these guys on each side. That goes onto there. Does that piece, that piece goes through both of them. Okay, so this needs to come off to slide this pin in. Like I said, any day of the week, I will take some old Ford parts as clean steel. Need your help again, Jared.
No, you said you didn't.
But I lied.
You painted the end of the bolt. You nerd.
Hey.
I appreciate it. Like, I think that's a neat touch, but like, it's not even like I'm gonna paint that bolt. It's just like, no, I'm gonna paint the end.
Trying to safely get these springs back on here. I think that's how you're gonna do it. So the axle was super wallered and the wheels were just rattling in there. Got some round stock out of the pile here. I'm gonna drill these out to fit the bigger axle. My buddy Braden yesterday got the axles out and it was super wore down and the wheels were super wallered out, but this fit just right, which keeps on happening. I have one that I don't have a good piece laying around for, but we'll figure that out. Nice and snug in there. I even used the right amount of bearings on each one. Check that out.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.